Good morning, all student. We see here preparation of potassium permanganate. Second point, we discuss first point from chemical oxidation, preparation of potassium permanganate from manganese dioxide, potassium hydroxide, and potassium chloride. Then we prepare here potassium permanganate by electrolytic oxidation. I hope you understand properly. Okay? Yes. In electrolytic oxidation, alkaline solution of magnet ion is electrolyzed between iron electrodes separated by diaphragm. Overall reaction is 4. So twice K2MnO4 plus H2 nascent 1 oxygen is here converted into or formation of potassium permanganate plus twice potassium permanganate plus twice KOH, that means potassium hydroxide. So check that here this reaction is balanced or unbalanced. 4 potassium here, Mn twice Men. Okay, then how many oxygen here? 4, 8, 10 oxygen here, 10 oxygen, 4 into 8 and 2. Okay, 10 oxygen, that means balanced reaction. Okay, the oxygen evolve at the anode convert magnet to permanganate. So here oxidation, this reaction is called as oxidation. That's why here magnet ion is converted into permanganate. The solution is filtered purple black color. The solution is filter and evaporate to get deep purple black color here. So therefore here deep purple black color crystals of KMnO4 is appear. Next point is that chemical properties of KMnO4. So we have to see here what are the chemical properties of KMnO4. First, in acidic medium, the oxidizing reaction of KMnO4 in acidic medium. First, oxidation of iodide to iodine. Here twice MnO4 minus plus 10 I minus plus 16 H plus converted into twice Mn 2 plus 8 H2 plus I2. So here oxidation of iodide, that means where is iodide here? I minus iodide converted into iodine I2. Here oxidation of iodide into iodine. You understand? Here I minus is iodide. Okay, and converted into iodine I2. I2 is iodine. Next, second, oxidation of Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus MnO4 plus 5 Fe2 plus. Okay, and this cation is converted into Fe3 plus. Why? Here loss of one electron. So here oxidation means when loss of one electron is called as oxidation. Here oxidation process is completed. Then here next third, oxidation of H2S. H2S converted into, or H2S when we have to release H2S, then is converted into twice H plus plus S2 minus. That means formation of one cation and anion here. 5S2 minus plus twice MnO4 minus plus 16H plus converted into twice Mn2 plus 5S plus H2, 8H2 here. So this is a reaction of chemical properties of KMnO4. That means oxidation of iodide to iodine, oxidation of Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus. Why? Because there is a loss of one electron and oxidation of H2S. Then next fourth is oxidation of oxalic acid. Here twice MnO4 minus plus 5H2CO4, that means oxalic acid plus 6H plus converted into twice Mn2 plus 10 CO2 plus 8 H2. That means here oxidation of oxalic acid into here in reactant acid. Oxidation of this oxalic acid, loss of oxalic acid is loss of electron. That time here converted into oxalic acid into twice Mn2 plus 10 CO2 and H2. That means oxalic acid converted into carbon dioxide, outer molecule and Mn2 plus, twice Mn2 plus charge. Here B, in neutral or weakly alkaline medium, oxidation of iodide I minus 2 iodate IO3 ion, IO3 minus. Here twice MnO4 minus plus H2 I minus converted into twice MnO2 plus twice OH minus plus IO3. First. Second is thiosulfate H2O3 2 minus is oxidized to sulfate SO4 2 minus, 8 MnO4 minus plus thrice H2O3 2 minus plus H2O converted into 8MnO4 plus 6SO4 2 minus plus twice OH minus. And third, magnesium salt is oxidized to MnO2 here. How to magnesium? Magnus here manganese salt is oxidized to MnO2 twice EMnO4 minus plus thrice EMn 2 plus plus twice H2O converted into 5MnO2 plus 4H plus. Okay, I hope you understand. We can stop here. In next video we discuss uses of KMnO4. Thank you.